No, she's going to this for sure. Stay here. Alright guys, this is a tornado warned storm. Radar indicated circulation over in Philadelphia, somewhere in Pennsylvania. We're in southern Jersey watching it roll in right now. Like I said, I've been watching the storm on my roof for about 2 minutes now. That constant rumble you're hearing in the background has been non-stop, which is something I've never heard before. And I've seen tornadoes, or not tornadoes, well, I've seen tornadoes. I've seen storms in Texas, Oklahoma, that year after year get much worse storms than New Jersey does. So, like, this is, the storm, like the edge of this supercell is just huge. Usually you just get one area and that's it. This thing is just massive. On radar, it looks impressive. I mean, right now, this video right now is 2 minutes long and rumbling still hasn't stopped. So it's been a non-stop rumble for a good 5 minutes now. And that's only because that's how long I've been watching it for. But I'm going to get inside because, this thing is going to be right over top of me in about 3 or 4 minutes now. I'm not seeing any kind of rotation right now, but yeah, hopefully we woo! I gotta get the camera wet, keep whipping in the side of the screen here. Lost one of the screen panels, gotta replace that tomorrow. I say this storm was just enough. Last night, you can see the weather died down dramatically. But we did have some pretty good downdrafts earlier. I was waiting for that tree right there to go. And I think pull out a big wall, so I can get right there. I think she's all about done now. Probably all down the rain. Good, decent sized rain here. Storm's over come from over there. We're just being blocked by the house. You can see that rain getting whipped right off of this house. Seeing a couple more blowing. See if we don't lose any more. I think the wind direction changed a little bit. I mean, luckily for me, they fell in there. It's easy fix. Kind of stuff that you outside and see some hail. Yeah, we got some hail. Looks like pea size. Not very big hail. Right there. Nothing too big. Nothing that's gonna shatter the window or nothing like that. So that's good. ISO on this camera really doesn't show you how dark it really is. It looks nice and lit up on the camera, but in actuality, it looks like the sun's starting to come out. Wow, that's it. Down limb right here. It's broken off right there. Not to be confused with that, that was clearly cut. Right there is my shoot. Definitely looks like these guys had a tree that came down. They're chopping it up. We actually got hit by 2 storms today. One was a couple hours ago. So some of this might be the part of that aftermath, but you can see all the debris and stuff on the streets. There's that storm, like I said. It's now pulling off to the east. Pretty good clip, actually. It's still rocking and rolling over there. Probably at this time, it's probably closer to the shore. But like I said, it was tornado warned. Radar indicated a tornado. I'm not a weatherman, or anything, meteorologist or anything like that, but judging by the wind, that's a storm after it passed us. Quick 10-minute storm or so. A lot of wind. Every trash can down the street just tumbled over. Not big debris on our street here, but we got a couple down limbs right there. That tree limb right over here, I'll get a closer up. Yeah. All in all, like I said, not a bad storm. Yeah, let's see what we can see.